Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to apply a credit in QuickBooks Online. So, let's get started. When you are on QuickBooks, click on the Sales section in the left-hand menu. Select the Customers option. Use the search bar to find the customer you want to apply for a credit. Click on their name. Click on the New Transaction section and select the Credit Memo option. Fill in the necessary details. Fill in the email address. Product or service you are providing. Quantity of the product or service, rate of that product or service. The message displayed on the credit memo and the message displayed on the statement. After filling in all the necessary information, click on the Save and Send button. There you have it. This is how you can apply a credit in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching till next time.